Hello everyone, and my name is Anil Sapkota, and my University of Northampton ID is 1443750. So in this assignment, I have to design medium enterprise level network for organization who have two different location. So this is the geographical location of different buildings like Northampton and London, and they are obviously connected through internet to interconnect between them. So moving into floor plan, this is the floor plan for London, and all the devices are kept according to their need and requirement as we have been provided. In Northampton, there are three buildings. One is main building, and two are satellite buildings, and the interconnection between them is done in the main building access layer to their core distribution devices. So obviously they are connected to their respective ISPs. Like this one is for Northampton, so ISP Northampton and ISP London. So moving into the design of network, this is the network plan for London, and in this network redundancy is not focused. So for routing, I have used OSPF and static routing over this network, and also we have firewall DMZ as a requirement in firewall, and IPsec, GRE, and netting is done to connect to another branch or another network, another accessing internet. So moving into the routing tables, this is the routing tables, and these external links are like redistribution of static routing, as this building only have OSPF and static routes. So this is the redistribution command. Because of BLSM or planned IP address, I have to use subnet. Otherwise, without using subnet, it will take only class full IP address, like whole network or something. So these are the network, like they are interconnecting between each other, and they are redistributing each other static routing. So this is my IP address of web server, and it is resolved in this DNS server, and the browser, the the user from X layer can access this server. For accessing internet, NAT is done, and for netting, I'm going to browse the internet, like connecting any of the other server and see the result in the core router. Like I have translated my IP address of this IP address into uh, this IP address to access this. So IPsec and GRE is done, as I already mentioned there. Moving to BGP, or internet service providers. Um, um, these are the two ISPs which are connecting respective, like ISP London is connecting to London, and ISP Northampton is connecting to Northampton, and also they have a link of themselves in between, which is also like BGP neighborship. So this is the BGP networks which are formed after neighborship, and these are the network. And moving to the building of Northampton, this is the network design for Northampton. And this building have three this location have three building. One is main building and two are satellite buildings. For main building, this one is core distribution and access. And for other building, this one is core, this one is access, this one is distribution, and this one is access. For the satellite building 3, this one is a core, distribution, access. You can also see here, this building is also not so much focused in redundancy and failovers. The routing protocols that we have used uh, in this location are OSPF, EIGRP, and static routing. And for static routings are done in above of the routers and for default gateway only. Moving into redistribution. Redistribution is done in this device, which is connected to two different satellite buildings. And redistribution commands are like this to interconnect between them. And the updates from this router to another other router of EIGRP and OSPF will be updated. So moving into EIGRP one. So you can see here DEX or external. It is from outside internet, outside of EIGRP network. So EIGRP routing table, sorry. So these are the networks. In satellite building also, we can see here, these are the routing tables which are updated. Moving into OSPF 1. These are the external one which are updated after redistribution. So IPsec GRA, everything is done. IPsec GRA netting is done over here. So I'm going to, okay, this one is for web server, accessing web server. And for accessing this another network device is like this one is accessing, and this one is also working. So and let me access from another building. Like, and yeah, those two buildings have interconnection between them. So thank you.